Welcome to another episode of Damage TV. This is Damage Creator. We are back with another video, and I am back from Mexico. So yesterday in the afternoon, you guys were supposed to see my review for Waba hair supply. That video should already be out because at that time I wasn't planning on doing any other videos, during my time in Mexico. So I'm gonna check my damage review playlist to see if it's there. So far, I've done over 78 videos. This is insane. Wow. I've done over 78 video reviews. And that's not even the half of it. So, the Waba hair review is up and officially live. It was uploaded on the 15th, but I did it before my vacation. Because I knew for a fact that, I wanted to eliminate anything that involves me, getting my YouTube channel, up and out there. So once I did that, I ended up being okay, So the video is up, it's live, it premiered yesterday, I believe in the afternoon. During that time, I was actually on my way back home. So, I do apologize. Remember that cold I was getting over? Well, as you can tell, I'm feeling much better. And my cold, well, my phlegm was like, yeah, still a little bit left in here. Let me remind you. So that's what that was. So I am starting to feel more okay with not buying a few things until I'm ready for it. One of them is the Xbox One controller for, when I do my gaming stuff on my gaming channel. Neighbors, I'm sorry. So I'm gonna hold off on that, but I did get some more stuff from Waba Hair and Beauty Supply. I went and back onto the website and had to get me some more stuff. It was actually for the item that you saw yesterday. So yeah, I just actually ended up finishing up that order and all that good stuff. What else? So like I said, Mexico was great, but it feels like it feels like I feel great, but it's just, I don't know, maybe it's just this thing called jet lag. I didn't think I was getting it until you step off the plane, because we went through at least 2 different time zones. Central Standard and Eastern Standard time. And it was cool, to be an hour behind. But now it's just like, it's like your mind's boggled a little bit. But yeah, I'm about to get out of here and start editing videos and cleaning because I have to clean that damn room if I'm going to be doing any type of reviews, any type of interviews, any type of anything. It's either clean or get some type of cut off thing to do any type of videos. Because wow, doing on a laptop is good. I need to give my computer some love. I need to show my computer some love because I haven't been showing my good sis love since I left. I couldn't touch it, couldn't grab it, even though something in the back of my mind told me to bring the laptop. And we would have did live streams from Mexico, but something was like, I'm kind of glad that I didn't because it just took my mind off things and it made me feel it did make me feel obligated to do videos. But that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this little rant, aka venting, aka just random video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video and share cool stuff. My hair is okay. Some of the braids came loose, but I ended up fixing them. But I love you all so much. Reviews coming soon, and I will see you all next time. Bye.